Hi everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed a little $1 piece of art from the Dollar Tree into something really special enough to give someone as a gift. So stay tuned and see how we made this. For this DIY we're going to use this beautiful little decorative wall art from Dollar Tree, Rejoice in the Lord Always. We're going to use that. We're going to use 2 packs of the Jot butterflies, and I have just 1 sheet of scrapbook paper. Hobby Lobby or Michael's, you can get it for 59 cents or sometimes for $1. You know, or I just have lots of paper because I love paper. And we're going to use one of these photo frames, collage photo frames from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to adjust the camera. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the backing off our picture frame, and we're going to put our scrapbook paper into our frame. This collage frame holds 7 different photos, but just its plain measurements on it are 12 by 12, so it is perfect size for your standard piece of scrapbook paper. So I'm just going to get my backing out and my little collage frame, and you can save that. You may be able to use that on something else. Of course, I save everything. And to make our paper fit, we're just going to cut the little perforated part off the top, just because it'll be a little bit neater than trying to tear it. I never can get these things to tear. Okay. You see that just fits right into our frame. Make sure you get it under the tab. And then we're just going to put our backing back on it. You can take the glass out if you wanted to. And you could just apply your artwork to the scrapbook paper, but I know that I'm not going to be taking this apart. A lot of my stuff I recycle, but this is not going to be recycled. This is going to be a gift I'm going to give to somebody. So I'm just going to go ahead and adhere it to the glass. I think that would be a prettier finish on it also. So now I've got that all back in there, and we're just going to flip it over. And then I have to decide, yeah, that's right way up. Okay. Then I want to position this in the center of my frame. So you can push it in the corner, and that is, so it'd be 4.5. I'm just trying to get the same distance on each side. Yep. And then it doesn't have to be exact. I mean, I'm not going to get all hysterical about it. But oh, and that's Mommy in the background. She's had cola again. So I'm just going to get that lined up. Make sure that it's even. So that's 2. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my little scrap piece of paper and lay it right here so I know and you can glue this with E6000 or you can use hot glue. I'm going to use hot glue, and I'm going to glue the 4 little corners right here. I'm just going to put a good bit of hot glue on it and then put it onto my glass. And this is not very heavy, so I mean, if you're worried about it, you could do E6000, but I don't think we need to worry that much about it. And if any squidges out, it's easy to peel hot glue off of glass. So then we're just going to let that stick down there. And let that dry. And then we're going to take our two different kinds of butterflies, and y'all can see where this is going. I'm just going to position these butterflies on here to give it a 3D effect. And it's a simple and easy way to take a $1 piece of art and make it look much more special. much more special. Anyway, I mean, it's cute on its own, but it just adds something when you add the frame. And then I like the background of the clouds, like the butterflies are flying around. So, and you can put these over the butterflies on there, or you could just make it look like there's more butterflies. That's what I'm going to do. So, and you don't need any extra glue. These are very sticky. They're so sticky I can't get them off the backing paper. That's how quick and easy it is, y'all. All I did was glue the little piece of artwork to the glass with a piece of scrapbook paper on it, and then added some butterflies to the top. And it looks so much better than it did before. I mean, it was cute like it was, and it would be nice hanging on the wall, but I think this is just a little bit more special. So get out there and make some crafts. They don't have to be long and complicated and use $100 worth of supplies. This craft costs $3, and I have some butterflies left over. So get out there. If Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Y'all have a great day. Bye.